next. So we had a good amount of cloud cover through most of the day. Now we do have a few more peaks of sun as we make our way through this late afternoon into early evening. Currently in Scottsbluff, we are at 86 degrees. That is currently our high temperature for the day, with the wind is east around 8 miles per hour. A little bit of moisture in the atmosphere, the dew point holding at 54. So here's a look at what happened yesterday in terms of the rainfall. Not a lot here in the Panhandle. The only place on here in our viewing area really is Gordon. They did pick up just over a ½ inch of rain, but most of the moisture out toward Imperial, Sutherland, the Madrid area, over 1 inch of rain. And everybody else, especially from Mullen to Hay Center, even up toward North Platte, either a half or up to 3/4 of an inch of rain. So we could use more here into the Panhandle and southeastern Wyoming, definitely, but a good portion of the state did get a good amount of rain with those storms yesterday. Here's a look at the temperatures around the region right now. Low to mid 80s, Torrington, Scottsbluff, Bridgeport, upper 70s at Oshkosh, and at Kimball and Chadron continues to be a warm spot at 86 degrees. There's your wind, mainly from an easterly direction. Wind speeds at around 5 to 15 miles per hour, just increasing the moisture just a little, but the clouds that we had throughout the day are starting to dissipate. You can still see some clouds in the valley locations. Most everybody else has mostly clear skies right now. That is going to be the trend as we make our way through later on to the afternoon into the evening. High pressure's working on in. The low that gave portions of the state some moisture moving off to the east. We're on the system's cool side, so an easterly or eventually a northeasterly flow is going to be the story as we make our way through the next 12 to 24 hours. And then this high works to our east. We warm up nicely with more of a southerly wind. So we'll lose the clouds as we make our way through the evening. Temperatures by around the midnight hour in the mid-60s and lows just after sunrise into the mid to upper 50s. Could still be some fog in our eastern and southeastern counties and a lot of sunshine tomorrow. There's your southerly wind getting us into the mid-80s to lower 90s depending on where you are. Could have a few clouds on Thursday morning. Temperatures starting off into the upper 50s, and highs for Thursday will be into the mid-80s to near 90, but we will have sunshine. The wind flips around to a northerly direction, so temperatures for Friday and Saturday will be on their way down. So there's that surge of warm air. This disturbance really is not going to give us any rain. If you look well off to our east along the, say, I-29 corridor, that's where the rain's going to be from this system. So we're just going to have another high-pressure system. We're on its cool side. Cooler temperatures falling back through the 80s on Friday and Saturday. Then we warm up once again, keep a lot of sunshine. So here's the forecast for tonight. Mostly clear and seasonal lows into the low to mid 50s for most of us. And then we are back to sunny skies. It will be warmer, upper 80s and lower 90s. We're going to keep that easterly wind for tomorrow, but a northerly wind for Thursday. Under sunshine, we will once again get hot, and we're talking about temperatures into the upper 80s and lower 90s across the region. But as we go through Friday and Saturday, there's that cooler air, mid-80s. We do stay dry, sunny to mostly sunny skies. Then 87 on Sunday, mostly sunny through Monday, a high near 90, and then near 90 again, a dry week ahead as we're partly cloudy by Tuesday. And there's your sunny and dry weather. We're going to send it back to Allison now.
Thanks, Justin. On a hot day, there's nothing like ice cream to cool you down, or maybe an ice-cold beer. But how about both? Beer-flavored ice cream, no joke. Miller High Life partnered with Tipsy Scoop to create the ice cream dive bar in honor of the